To live stream on YouTube using Nimo TV, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a Nimo TV account and are logged in. Open the Nimo TV app or website and navigate to the live streaming settings. Here, you'll need to connect your YouTube account. Go to the broadcast settings, select YouTube as your platform, and authorize Nimo TV to access your YouTube channel. Once connected, customize your stream by adding a title, description, and thumbnail for your YouTube audience. You can also adjust audio, video quality, and other preferences within Nimo TV to optimize your stream. When ready, start your live stream on Nimo TV. It will automatically broadcast to your linked YouTube channel simultaneously. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the stream. Keep in mind that YouTube may require you to verify your account or meet specific criteria, like 1,000 subscribers, to enable live streaming. If this guide helped you set up live streaming with Nimo TV, let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.